guys, welcome back to 604 Diecast Customs. Hope you guys are all having a great day. Went out to Walmart this morning, got up nice and early, found myself something I don't find too often. Don't buy these very often because they're never very good, but I scored myself a 10-pack, and 9 out of 10 cars are actual cars. That doesn't happen too often, especially international packs. We get a lot of junk mixed in with 1 or 2 cars. So I was pretty stoked to find this. We've got 1, 2, 3 Corvettes, which is awesome. We got 2 Camaros. Got a Porsche, which is awesome. That'll go into my collection for sure. A beautiful Lamborghini Veneno there. That's a multi-pack exclusive. So that you'll never find on a card. It was exclusive to 3 packs, 10 packs. So that's awesome. Super excited to have that one. And then we have a Triumph. I don't collect it, but it's kind of cool. We've got a Nissan Skyline R33. Pretty nice. I do have this carded, but it'll be cool to have a loose one. And the only one I don't care about here is the 16 Angels in the green and the bronze. And anyways, we're going to rip this open. We've got some cool shots of this, and we'll show you what we're looking at here. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with the least favorite to my favorite. We'll start off with the one that I couldn't care less about. The 16 Angels. So this is a green plastic body. It's got some decals. It's got a bronze metal base. It's got the OH5 with bronze on the wheels. Yeah, just nothing I'm a big fan of. I don't really like fantasy castings, so. But like I said, it was the only fantasy casting in the box, so I can't complain really. It'll go into the box for my kids to play with on the track. So the second one here, this is a Triumph TR6. Kind of cool old English racing car. Don't collect these, but cool to see. Nice white with a blue decal. It's got a bronze Y5 wheel. It's got no tail lights, no headlight color, but it's got decals on the side and a blue interior with a roll cage. That'll probably go into the box at the track cars for my kids as well. I'll move on to stuff I actually like. We've got this Nissan Skyline Gtr. It's an R33. Tail lights. Side tampos. As it's got sides and back, it won't have front, so no headlight tampos. It's got the chrome 5-spoke rims. Real nice metallic red color. I don't know if it's going to pick it up on the light there, but there's some serious sparkle in that paint. It's real nice. Real nice. I'll move on here again. We got 3 Corvettes here. So first off, we got the 2003 Corvette Zr1. This is a multi-pack exclusive, so you'll only find that in 3 and 10 packs. It's a really nice sort of orangey red metallic with black and gold highlights. It's got headlights. It has side tampos. It's got roof tampos. It doesn't have tail lights, as it's got the top and the sides already. You very rarely will get headlights, tail lights, roof tampos, and side tampos on something that's not a premium edition, so it's easy enough to paint some tail lights in there though, not a big deal. Chrome base, bronze 10 spokes. It's a really nice car though. If you're a Corvette fan, like, the design on here is super nice. Cool. We'll move on to the next one. We're looking at a 2014 Corvette Stingray Convertible. This really nice metallic orange. It has taillights with the Corvette symbol. Very, very nice paint. It's got the Corvette symbol on the front there and headlights. Really nice, basic, no crazy tampos, but headlights and taillights. Looks nice. The metallic orange on this looks really nice. I'm not a convertible guy, but that's a nice metallic paint. Really pops in the light there. And we'll move on to the newest one. So this is a C7 Z06. Convertible again. But taillights, nothing on the sides. We've got headlights, the Corvette emblem, and a nice little shaker stripe on the hood there. Black interior, black rims with a nice little metallic red stripe around the lip. Real nice car. Real nice though. These, you can get these on card. Not sure if that orange one was ever a carded one. I never saw it on a card, but I could be mistaken. And we'll move on now again. Something I do collect, but I do have these already, so they're nothing new to me. We've got the Borla Camaro, 2016 Camaro SS. Now this one came in black, and it also came in a white. I do have both. I don't have a loose white one, but I do have it carded. This one's got crazy tampos on the sides and on the hood, roof, and on the top of the trunk. It also says Borla right on the front there as well. So it does not have tail lights or headlight tampos. It's got those gray sort of split 5 spokes. Really nice car though. It's sort of a not super shiny black, but it's not totally like a matte black either. More like a satin black, I guess you'd call it. Really nice car though. And we'll move on to another Camaro. Something again, I do have this carded and loose already, but it was nice to see some Camaros. I'll always take more Camaros. So this is a 2010 Camaro SS. Not 2013, 2010. Hot Wheels Police Department. This one doesn't have tail lights, but just like the last one, it's got crazy side tampos. Police Department Interceptor. It says Hot Wheels Police Department on the hood with the red and blue tampos. A 68 on the back, which is a pretty typical number for Hot Wheels. That was the year they started. And it's also got being that it's a cop car, it's got a push bar on the front, and it's got some roof lights in there too. These are nice cars. I'm a huge fan of the 5th generation Camaros. The 2010 to 2014 or 15, I believe it was, before they changed it. This is a real nice one though. And move on. Switch over to Porsches. This is a car I don't actually have any Hot Wheels of this casting. It's a Porsche Cayman S. I do have 2 Matchbox Caymans, which are really nice. Matchbox did a really good casting of the Cayman S. This one is nice as well. It's in a metallic blue. It's got the gray 10 spokes, no tail lights. It does have the side stripes. It's got a gray interior. It does have the Porsche emblem and the headlights on the front there. Overall, very nice casting. It would look really nice if it did have those taillight decals. Can be easily added, not a big deal. Wheels are They go well with the blue. Can't complain with the gray interior and the gray stripe. It all ties in. But yeah, super nice. I'd like to find some more Matchbox Caymans. These are cool. I'll quickly show you guys what I mean by the Matchbox Cayman being a lot nicer. You see this here. Now look at this. So this is a Matchbox Cayman. It has a license plate. It's got a really nice pearl metallic. The wheels are nice. The headlights and the tampo on the front, the Porsche, are really nice. I don't know, something about it. It's also got just a couple little details that are a little nicer. If you see on the front right side here, they've actually put the gas tank detail in there, which you'll notice they didn't on the Hot Wheels one. I don't know. The side vents are a little more pronounced. The sizing of the cars is a little better. You'll notice it sort of just disappears. The Hot Wheels Cayman is very small compared to the Matchbox one, width-wise and like height and length-wise. It's actually a lot shorter. But I don't know, just the extra detail. The wheels look a little nicer. These bronze 5-spokes go really well with this pearl white paint. Also got another one to show you here. So this is the yellow version. She's dusty. Yeah, so the yellow version is there. Again though, it's got the tail lights, it's got the license plate that says Cayman S. Those 5 spokes just look a little better. The proportions are a little better on the Matchbox one. I don't know. The blue one's not terrible, but those two are definitely a little nicer in the casting department. I actually noticed that with the Hot Wheels Panamera and the Matchbox Panamera. The Matchbox Panameras are a lot nicer. But it is what it is. I like all castings. No big deal. I'm actually a bigger Hot Wheels fan than Matchbox, so to occasionally like a Matchbox over a Hot Wheels casting, it happens. And then last but not least, definitely not least, this is the multi-pack exclusive Lamborghini Veneno. Beautiful, crazy car. Got a nice metallic blue with a black and a yellow stripe. OH5 rims with a yellow streak. Got the Lamborghini Deco with headlights on the front. No tail lights on the back, as it's got the front and the side. But that car, to me, is beautiful. I love the Venenos. I have a premium edition yellow one, and I also have the green and black one. So this is super cool. I'll be excited to put this in the collection with the other two. Anyways, thanks for watching again, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We're working our way to that 100 subscribers to get that giveaway going. So every subscriber helps. Once we get to 100, we'll be doing a giveaway. All right, guys. Have a good day.